Looking to capture all your adventures without breaking the bank? Whether you're biking down a mountain trail, snorkeling in crystal clear waters, or vlogging your daily life, a reliable action camera can bring your moments to life in vivid detail. Today we have rounded up the top 5 best budget action cameras that deliver impressive performance, solid durability, and high-definition video quality. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check them out and find the one that fits your needs best. Let's get started. Number 5. Aeso Brave 4 Action Camera. If you are new to action cameras and want something easy to use yet packed with solid features, the Aeso Brave 4 is a top choice. This model records in ultra-high-definition 4K at 24 frames per second and full high-definition 1080p at 60 frames per second, giving users clear and vivid video quality. It also captures 20 megapixel still images, suitable for both dynamic and stationary shots. The camera includes built-in electronic image stabilization, which does a decent job of minimizing blur and shaking during movement. Its adjustable viewing angle, ranging from 70 to 170 degrees, lets you control how much of the scene is captured, adding creative flexibility. The Brave 4 features a 2-inch IPS screen that displays your shots clearly, and the interface is intuitive enough for beginners to navigate with ease. Number 4. ODDV 4K 60fps Action Camera. The ODDV 4K 60fps Action Camera is a hidden gem in the budget category, offering impressive resolution and flexible usability. This compact device records in real 4K at 60 frames per second, delivering sharp and fluid footage that rivals more expensive brands. It supports multiple video modes including 2.7K and 1080p at higher frame rates, allowing for excellent versatility depending on your recording needs. Equipped with a 20 megapixel sensor, this camera also performs well in still photography, providing crisp images even in lower light settings. Number 3. Aeso Brave 7 LE Action Camera. The Aeso Brave 7 LE is a standout choice for users who demand an action camera that performs reliably in all weather conditions. Designed with a water-resistant body, the Brave 7 LE is splash-proof on its own and becomes fully waterproof up to 40 meters when placed inside the included waterproof case. This makes it ideal for rain, snow, and underwater adventures alike. It records high-quality 4K video at 30 frames per second and 20 megapixel still images, offering rich detail and color accuracy. What sets this camera apart is its dual-screen setup, a front-facing screen that's perfect for selfies and vlogging. Number 2. DJI Osmo Action 3. For users who want high-end features at a reasonable price, the DJI Osmo Action 3 offers remarkable value. Built to handle intense conditions, this rugged action camera records in stunning 4K resolution at 120 frames per second, allowing for ultra-smooth slow-motion playback. It also boasts DJI's advanced Rocksteady 3.0 image stabilization technology, which effectively minimizes shakes and jitters during movement-heavy scenes. One of the standout features is its dual touchscreens, front and back, which make vlogging, framing, and playback incredibly convenient. The front screen even supports touch functionality, letting you adjust settings easily while facing the camera. The camera's waterproof build, usable up to 16 meters deep without a case, makes it adventure-ready straight out of the box. Its impressive 155-degree ultra-wide-angle lens ensures expansive views that immerse the viewer in your environment. The Osmo Action 3 also has a fast-charging battery that can reach 80% in just 18 minutes. Number 1. Queso EK7000 Action Camera. The Queso EK7000 stands out as a popular and affordable choice for beginners and casual users looking to dive into action videography. This compact powerhouse records in ultra-high-definition 4K at 25 frames per second and full high-definition 1080p at 60 frames per second, offering crisp, smooth footage. The 12-megapixel camera captures detailed still photos, making it versatile for both action shots and everyday photography. And there you have it, The top 5 best budget action cameras that deliver quality without draining your wallet. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews.